Okay, so on this video, I'll go ahead and teach you a quick, easy find on how to locate contact log or probably like a missing call that an agent has done. Most of the time, an agent could easily dispose a call without even getting the phone number of the specific prospect, and it's going to be hard to locate the call recording, and kind of hard to tag it as a sale. Now, if that happens, all we need to do is locate the contact log. Most of the time, the only person who would have access over locating that one will be the team leads or the one who has privileges over the dialer. All you have to do is go to admin. So let's say, let's go to admin, and let's say we're missing a call coming from Nicole. Now, we simply hit this button right here, recent calls. Okay. Now you can do from here, you can do filter. You can filter and locate calls either by time. You can go as far as 3 days, or you can go as far as their last 10, 20, 50, 100, or 500 calls. So from there, let's try generating their Nicole's last 500 call. So let's go ahead and go there. So this will be her phone activity, her last 500 dials, and most likely you just be here if you want to just track your most recent calls. Let's say 10 calls. Let's hit go. So there, that will show the last 10 calls that she has made. Thank you. Have a great day.